What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Matic. We're breaking through key levels of resistance. Currently sitting at $1.64. We're up about 5.3 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 12.55 billion. 24-hour volume 997 million. Almost 1 billion 24-hour volume. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here we are in the 4-hour time frame. I talked about the importance of getting back above $1.50, and we've done that. So this is excellent, guys. This is exactly what we want to see. We had a bear trap where we broke down from the symmetrical triangle, but we had a throwback, and now we're on our way to our technical target, which is coming in at $2.09. We're very, very close to our break even with our dollar cost average strategy. Just about 6% away. Pretty exciting. We've had 5 entries, equal amounts at each buy zone. Brings your average price down halfway each time. You get ready to ride the slingshot back up. We are overbought, guys. If we look at the 1-hour time frame as well, you can see we're overbought. So if we do see some pullback here, do watch that $1.50. Could also find support here. I'll quickly drop in a line. See this previous swing high? It's coming in at about $1.54. So if you do see some pullback, do watch those levels of support. If we pop over to the daily time frame, so we're looking really, really strong on the daily. Not only have we broken out of this falling wedge, but now we have broken the resistance from this descending broadening wedge. So as of right now, we're in a technical target to the previous high at $2.91. So if you're trading this breakout, we've just started to break out here. Could be a massive trade opportunity for Matic of 86%. Now you can see here with this Fibonacci pulled from this previous swing high down to the swing low that we've come up, and we're testing the 0.786. We got back above the golden ratio. Higher likelihood you're coming up back up to where you started, which is coming in about $1.70, and the 1.618, which is coming in at about $1.97. So if you come up, you break above $1.70, you get back above the 200 EMA, you hold that as support. Higher likelihood you come all the way up to $1.97. So we've broken out of this falling wedge. We're on our way to our technical target of 205. If I pop over to my next chart here, this Fibonacci is pulled from the swing high in in February 8th, all the way down to our swing low. You can see that falling wedge pattern, and we're on our way to our technical target, pushing back above the EMAs, currently hitting resistance on the 200 here. There's also a beautiful double bottom pattern. As you can see here, we created a bottom. We created a second bottom. So I'll drop in a neckline quickly and show you your breakout target. So here would be your neckline. So we're coming up close to test that neckline. If we break above it and we do hold that as support, we can measure it from the bottom of the pattern, take it to the point of breakout, and could take Matic all the way up past this previous swing high, all the way up to about $2.18. You can see we've had the bullish cross on the MACD. So if we can see a nice push back above this neckline coming in at about $1.66, could see an absolutely massive breakout. We've just started to get back above the 55 EMA on the daily. So if we do push up here and we roll over, but we hold the EMAs as support, the 20 EMA will come underneath and we may see the bullish cross. Let's quickly look at Ethereum. ETH is looking really, really strong. You can see here we pushed it back above the 55, back tested as support, boom. So there is a great entry point in my opinion. Now if you do see us start to roll here, we come back down to the EMAs, could be another great entry point because we're about to print the bullish cross on the daily. Now be very careful. We are trending towards overbought on the money flow, and as you can see here, we're overbought. We saw a move back down and we're overbought once again. So if we do see some pullback, watch 3017 and 2850. Would be healthy to see some pullback, come back down to the EMAs, hold them as support, and see continuation. We have the double bottom with Ethereum as well. As you can see, we came down, we created a bottom, second bottom, technical target 3703. We've broken the neckline, which was coming in here at about 3017. So as long as we stay above it, that could be another beautiful trade opportunity. You might want to wait for a little bit of a back test to enter your trade here all the way up to 3703. Of course, we have to watch for that dead cat bounce scenario, as I've been mentioning, but as of right now, we're seeing a beautiful breakout. If we pop over to the 4-hour time frame, yeah, so we could definitely see some pullback. As you can see here, we created a higher high while creating a lower high on the RSI as well as the money flow. Early signs that the bulls are running out of strength. So if we do see that pullback, do watch 3017 And then this level as well. Let me drop in. Did I already drop in a price target here? Yeah, 2850. See the support right here? Previous level of resistance. That could definitely act as support. And we see that fall back onto the EMAs on the daily time frame. So we'll finish off the video here with Matic. What we're watching right now is the 55 EMA. If we can stay above it, if we do roll over, do watch $1.54. The golden ratio should be a strong level of support, and you'll see the 20 EMA start to creep up over the next couple days. Hopefully we hold it as support and we see a major breakout. Really bullish in my opinion that we finally broken out of this massive descending broadening wedge. We are in a technical target to 291, but of course we have to watch out for that dead cat bounce scenario for the entire market. In the short term here, we could definitely see a little bit of pullback as we are overbought, either that or some consolidation. If you see it start to consolidate a little bit, let me grab my brush here. You see a little bit of consolidation. We create a nice little bull flag pattern. What you can do is measure your flagpole, take it to your point of breakout, and can take you all the way up pretty close to our break even, coming in at about $1.71. And your strong levels of support here, $1.50, and this previous swing high coming in at about $1.53. That's basically it for Matic. Beautiful that we're back above the golden ratio. Higher likelihood we come back up to about $1.70. If we can get back above that, hold it as support. Target the 1.618 coming in at 197, and it lines up pretty close with the technical target, this previous swing high from this falling wedge pattern. If you took the breakout trade from this falling wedge for Matic, as you can see, we had a back test. Currently you're up on your trade about 11-12%. Pretty juicy in my opinion, and we're very close to our break even with our dollar cost average strategy. Equal amounts of each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. It's all explained in the Discord, which I'll open up quickly here. $350 USD, the price of a coffee. Not only that, but over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The DCA trade strategy fully explained. The DCA charts for the live trades on the channel. We just took profits on 2 of our trades, XRP and ADA, over the last few days, and buy and take profit zones that are updated regularly. If you're looking for entries and exits or to dollar cost average into your positions based off support, resistance, Fibonacci, you can check it out. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And if you want to keep up with my travels, you can follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.